One thing was clear from today's press conferences, neither side is going to back down, and both sides are ready for a fight.
I am saddened and furious to be here fighting the same fight again, but I'm not surprised.
Endowed by their Creator. That means given from the Creator with certain unalienable rights. Those rights don't come from men and women, they come from God.
The bill likely to draw the most attention is Senate Bill 9, which bans abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected.
This bill will hurt women. This bill will hurt my patients. Physicians can receive felony charges and jail time for providing a legal medical procedure.
3 other bills have either been filed or have sponsors. Senate Bill 50 would track medications administered to induce abortions. House Bill 148 would ban all abortions if Roe v. Wade is ever overturned. Another bill would prohibit abortions for reasons of race, gender, or perceived disability.
My son lives with autism. For him, every day is filled with challenges that many of us cannot even imagine. But he is intelligent, bright, and contributes to our lives in so many ways. His life is precious.
The bills are certain to face court challenges.
We at the ACLU are monitoring this legislation very closely and are considering all the options when it comes to taking legal action.
Courts sometimes assert their authority, and we will continue to push back against that supposedly co-equal branch until right prevails.
One of those bills, Senate Bill 50, had a hearing in committee today and could be voted on the Senate floor as early as tomorrow. In Frankfort, Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.